Yo! What's up again mga kakuso at mga karpintero at mga karpintera, and you're now watching here again our channel Karpintero Pinoy TV by Jesus Woodwork. So and guys, for today's vlog, dyan naman tayo sa Venice Canal, the luxury residence kagawa. So ang project na to is binigay na naman sa atin ng ating butihing architect na si Architect Ivan. So ang gagawin natin dito is bed, closet, then computer table, kitchen, CR cabinet, shoe rack, storage cabinet, and vanity. So ayun guys, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Samahan nyo ako at gawin na natin to. Baka gawin pa ng iba. Let's go!
the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times.
So ayun guys, nakita nyo naman kung paano natin in-execute yung proyekto na yan sa Venice Luxury Residence, ang ating proyekto na ginawa. So kitang-kita nyo naman kung paano natin ginawa at kung gaano kaganda yung design na ating talagang sinundan at talagang pinagbuti para sa ating client. So ayun guys, happy naman si client at marami pa tayong parating na project sa kanya. At yun nga guys, no, sa ganda ng kanalabasan is sigurado akong marami tayong makukuha client dyan sa Venice. So ayun guys, sana nagustuhan nyo ang vlog natin for today. Sa mga gusto magpagawa, no, maaari po sana bumisita kayo sa aming FB page dito lang sa GCS Woodworks, or else pwede rin naman kayong bumisita sa isa pa naming backup page dito lang sa Carpinterong Pinoy TV backup page, and pwede rin naman kayo rumekta dito sa aming woodwork shop. Traceable naman ang aming shop dito lang sa GCS Woodworks and Fit Out, at makakarating kayo dito sakto sa aming lokasyon at pwede natin pag-usapan kung ano yung mga nais paggawa at kung ano ang inyong nais malaman. So ayun guys, no, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please like, share, and subscribe. Please click the notification bell below para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos na ilalabas natin. So ayun nga, panibagong taon, panibagong simula, at panibagong mga kliyente ang mabibigyan natin ng ngiti. Dahil ang gawang Pinoy, tatak Pinoy, ang Carpinterong Pinoy TV by GCS Woodworks. So ayun guys, hanggang dito na lang. Shoutout sa lahat ng OFW sa buong mundo at sa lahat ng Pilipinong manggagawa saan man kayo sulok ng mundo. Mabuhay kayo, hanggang dito na lang. Breakdown.
Cause I'ma live life for the fight. Yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight. Yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason.